Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to put 3 hills on Roblox. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open any browser on your computer or PC. Just go on the search bar and head over to Google Chrome web extension. Sorry, Google Chrome web store. Alright, now go on the search bar and download this extension BT Roblox. Alright, here you go, BT Roblox, making Roblox better. Just click on it. Now click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. As you can see, the extension is installed. Just go on this puzzle icon on top right. Click on it and pin this extension. Alright. Now go to Roblox web. Okay, refresh the page. Okay. Now go to avatar on the left side. Click on hair and body. And here, click on hair. Now as you can see, there are 4 hairs. You can choose from any one of these. As you can see. So that's pretty much it. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.